Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to load more data on scroll using Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example and let's understand. So let me go here and you can see that I simply created one post component over here. Okay, and let me go here and you can see into the coding, you can see this is the blade file. And if I go here, you can see that simply component class over here. Okay, so there is only blank component class. And also you can see that into the database I already created post table, and with some dummy post over here you can see that post title 1 2 3. So like we can display list of all posts, and when you scroll then it's getting more data. Okay, like first 5 posts I will display, then if I scroll it, getting another 5. If I scroll it, I will get another 5. Okay, so what I will do first, simply go here and I will take one variable over here that's called public post. Okay, and then what I will do, simply I will add one function that's called mount function. So that means when our component load first time, then we will assign post to this variable. Okay, so simply go and I will say post, and I will use post model. Okay, and then I will simply say latest. Okay, and I will do it latest by id. Okay, and then I will simply take 5 records and simply get it. Okay, save it, and here I will be use that model. Okay, simply say post. Okay, save it. Okay, so that means once our component will be load, at that time that will assign 5 post over here. Okay, and simply go here and I will remove this one, and here I will be write for each loop, and here I will say post as a post, and I will simply say and for each loop. Okay, and here what I will say, I will create one card. Okay, I will create card, and then I will say simply margin on the top, and here I will be add card body class body div, and inside that I will create h5, and that should be class, and that's called bootstrap class card header. And here I will be add post title from the database. Okay, and same thing I will use p tag over here, and I will add card text. Okay, and here I will be simply getting text from the post object, and I will say body column. Okay, so you can see into the database there is a title and body. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh it, and you can see that. Okay, yeah, so I will just remove this header so maybe we don't mess up the design. Refresh, yeah, that's fine for now. Okay, so you can see that there is a 5 post over here. Okay, so now what I want to write the coding, you can see there is a scroll bar over here. So when I scroll, and if I scroll down, then it should be load another 5 posts from the database. Okay, so how can I do it? So first of all, what I will do, I will write the script for on scroll event. So I will say script and script. Okay, and then I will say script. Okay, and this is the scrolling bar from the window. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply say window dot on scroll, and then I will simply say function. Okay, now let's see it's working or not. Simply log, and I will say hi, save it. Okay, and now I will simply say, yeah, it's browser issue. So let me, yeah, it's let me log in again. I don't know why this inspect element I need to do. So simply go here and I'll say login, go to the dashboard, home, and here I will be saying inspect console, and if I scroll it, you can see that I can got it, but there is a function error, so that's called log, save it. Okay, and now let me refresh it. If I scroll, you can see that I got hi, but you can see that this is the on scroll event, so it's loading every time. You can see that, but it should only like getting the data when it scroll down, like it's like hit the bottom. Okay, so what I will do, simply I will go and I will get console log, and I will say window dot, and I will get inner height. Okay, and then I will say windows scroll y. Okay, and then also I will get like document body. So I will say document dot body, our document body, offset, and then I will say height. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now what I will do, simply refresh it, and if I scroll down you can see there is undefined. So what I need to do, yeah, offset height is getting the data, but you can see that on the second. So this means here I made a mistake. So I will say scroll y and save it. Okay, and if I refresh it, you can see that I can get the result over here. Okay, all the position of that. So for example, inner height and scroll height should be plus. So what I will do here, I will be add jQuery code over here. So that means if inner gen plus, inner height should be plus, and here I will be simply say plus, it should be greater than or equal to of document body height set, then it should be in, and simply I will console log over here, and that's called simply I will say hi. Yeah, save it. Okay, and space it, save it, and I will simply make it remove this, save it. And now let me refresh it. You can see that by default it's not going to trigger. So if I scroll down, and you can see that now if I hit over here, then it's getting high. You can see that same thing, you can see again, you can see again. Yeah, so now it's working. So that means when hit the enter, then we need to get another 5 post. Okay, so what I will do, I will use event. Okay, so what I will do, simply over here, that's called live wire dot, okay, dispatch event, and I will add event named like load more post. Okay, simply save it. So that means once our trigger over here, like when you scroll, at that time hit one event. Okay, so what I need to do into the class, simply go here, and here I need to create one more function. So that's called, for example, I will say one function over here, and that's called simply load more post over here. Okay, and remove this one. Okay, and here what I will do, I will use on first. Okay, so I will say live wire attributes, that's called on, and save it. Okay, and here I need to define, and here I will be say has, and I will say on. Okay, and this is the load more function. Okay, so that means we define the event over here, and simply I will say info, and I will simply say hi. Okay, save it. Okay, now let me go to the storage, and yeah, let's see it's work or not. Okay, simply refresh it, and I will go, and now you can see if I go, you can see that I can got the high. Okay, so that means I need to get another 5 post and add to the post. Okay, so what I will do over here, I will get new post, and then I will simply say post latest, and as it is what in above. So then I will simply say skip, because we are doing the manual pagination. So I will simply say count how many records you want to skip. So I will say this post variable has, and then I will take another 5 records, and then I will simply say get. Okay, and at the end what I will do, simply this post should be this, and then I will simply say this post merge with new post. Okay, yes, simply save it. Okay, and now let me go and refresh it. Okay, and if I scroll down, you can see that another 5 posts are coming. If I scroll down, you can see that. So let me remove this one, refresh it, and you can see that, first of all, let me refresh. Yeah, you can see that this is the bigger scroll bar, and if I scroll down, you can see that I got another 959493 and 9190. If I scroll down, you can see that I got 88 87. So continuously I can get 5 posts once hit scroll down over here. Okay, so you can understand how easily we can do it with like load more post on scroll. Okay, so you understand with the events how can we do. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys.